Hi friends, I Saili Suryanshi. Today I speak about the blood. Here we see about blood composition, functions and blood's importance. Uh, First we can see what is blood. Blood is a vital fluid in a human body that circulates through the hearts, arteries and veins and capillaries. It is responsible for transporting oxygen, nutrients, hormones, and waste products. Uh, Blood is essential for maintaining life and supporting the body, supporting in human, supporting in body immune system. Uh, Next we can see composition of the blood. The blood consists of uh, four main components. First is plasma. Plasma contains 55% of blood. In plasma, a yellowish liquid that makes up most of the blood contains waters, proteins, hormones, and waste products. Plasma also helps in transporting nutrients, hormones, and waste hormones. Second composition is RBC, means blood cells or uh, red blood cells. Blood cells contains hemoglobin, which carries oxygen from lungs to the body and remove carbon dioxide and transport it back to the lungs. Gives blood its red color. Third is white blood cells, WBC. Part of the immune system is helps to fight infections. Different types include neutrophils and monocytes and lymphocytes. Protects that body against bacteria, viruses, and harmful uh, uh, invaders. Uh, next composition is uh, platelets. Uh, which is work. What is work platelets in our body? The platelets help in blood clotting to the prevent excessive bleeding. They also important for wound healing and stopping internal bleeding. Raw colored liquid that is 90% water and 10% dissolved substances like proteins, nutrients, hormones, enzymes, waste products, and gases. Important of plasma proteins. What is the importance of plasma proteins? There is albumin. They work as maintain blood pressure and fluid balance. Uh, globulins. Globulins helps in immune response and fighting infections. Uh, fibrinogens essential for blood clotting. Next is blood cell. Blood cell 45% of blood volume. First is red blood cells, means RBC. Red blood cells are responsible for carrying oxygen and removing carbon dioxide, containing hemoglobin in disc shaped of to increase RBC are by concave disc. This shaped to increasing surface R for oxygen exchange. They also contain hemoglobin and iron rich protein that binds oxygen. Lifespan, there is lifespan is 120 days, after which they are broken down in a liver and spleen. Spleen um, produced in a bone marrow. Second is white blood cells, WBC, defend the body against infection and diseases. WC are fewer than fewer fewer than RBC, but are larger in size. Uh, Lifespan a few hours to several days. Their lifespan is a few hours to several days. Types of WBCs. Neutrophils. First is neutrophil, first line of defense against infections. Second is lymphocytes. They include anti cells, which mainly attacks infected cells. Next, monocytes become monocrophage that engulf harmful particles. Next is eosinophils, combat allergies and parasites. Next, that basophils, they release histamine during allergic reactions. Third is platelets. They tiny cells, fragments that help in blood clotting. When an injury occurs, platelets form a clot to stop bleeding. Lifespan is 7 to 10 days. Then function. Some disorders related to blood. First is anemia. In anemia, low RBC or hemoglobin levels leading to fatigue. Second is leukemia, a type of blood cancer affecting WBCs. Third is hemophilia, is a genetic disorder where blood does not the blood does not clot probably. Fourth is thrombosis, blood clots forming inside blood vessels causing blockages. Fifth is sepsis, a several infections spreading through the bloodstreams. Then fifth is blood circulation in the human body. How to work blood circulation in human body? Blood circulates through two main pathways. First is pulmonary circulation, blood lungs to heart, heart to lungs. Deoxygenated blood from the body pumped to the lungs by the right ventricle. In the lungs, carbon dioxide is removed and oxygen is absorbed. Oxygenated blood returns to the left atrium of a heart. Then systemic calculation, systemic. Second is systematic circulation, heart to body, body to heart. Oxygen rich blood is pumped from the left vertical to the ventricle to the entire body, delivers oxygen and nutrients to cells, collecting waste products. Deoxygenated blood returns to the right atrium for pulmonary circulation. Then there is some interesting facts about blood. An adult body has approximately 25 trillion RBCs. Blood travels about 200 miles, means 19,000 kilometers per day. The heart pumps about 5 liters of blood per minute. 1 drop of blood contains 5 million RBCs and 10,000 WBCs and 250,000 platelets. Blood donation can save up to 3 lives per um, donation. There are conclusion and blood. Blood is a life sustaining fluid that plays an essential role in the human body. It is responsible for the transporting oxygens, maintaining immunity, regulate regulating body temperature, and preventing excessive bleeding. um, understanding blood and its function is crucial for medical advancements. Blood transfusion and treating blood related disease. Thank you.